touch the sky. They try to break my spirit, try to chain my soul, but the roots run deep and Jah in control. From the city streets to the countryside breeze, every cry for justice echo through the trees. I see the youth them rising with a flame so bright, turning darkness into everlasting light. There's a fire in the roots, can't put it out. Hear the voices of the people as we shout. From the trenches to the truth we rise again. No more shackles, no more hidden pain. Fire in the roots, let it burn so free. Revolution song for humanity. Hey. Yeah. From Kingston corners to the global stage, we scribbling truth on the walls of a mental cage. Babylon system try to blind the youth, but we weapon is the word and the burning truth. Politician lies got the people misled. Still we plant seeds where the real ones tread. No fear in a me heart, in a bone or bend, cause the lion in a Zion rise again and again. There's a fire in the roots, can't put it out. Hear the voices of the people as we shout. From the trenches to the truth we rise again. No more shackles, no more hidden pain. Fire in the roots, let it burn so free. Revolution song for humanity. I remember days when the road was cold, no shelter for the dreams I dared to hold. But hope is a river that will always flow, even in the places where the pain may grow. So I sing for the broken, the lost, the weak, for every silent voice that afraid to speak. Lift your head up, let your story be told. Every heart of courage worth more than gold. Tell them say the time, no more delay. Truth can hide, it a shine like day. From Africa shores to the islands wide, we unite with the strength we hold inside. No division, no illusion again. We are build the future for the next generation. Stand firm on the rock, never sink in a sand. Freedom is a right, not a thing where them pride. Oh, rise up, hear the drums of freedom call. Stand up, we will never fall. Let the fire burn brighter than before. Open every heart, open every door. Through the struggle we find our truth, forever living in the fire of the roots. Through the storm and the lightning, still I stand firm. Every lesson in the struggle is a truth I learn. From the cries of the elders to the youth them plead. There's a message in the wind, say we must be free. Chains of illusion try to hold the mind tight, but wisdom is the candle shining through the night. So we chant down Babylon with a fearless song, knowing deep in our hearts that we all belong. I've seen mothers crying for their sons in the street, broken dreams scattered underneath their feet. Still the spirit of resilience never fades away. Like the sun, it rises at the break of day. We carry every scar like a badge of truth. Every pain transform into the voice of youth. From the ashes of despair we rebuild again, turning tears into strength, turning loss to gain. Hear the drum beat echo from a distant land, calling every nation just to take a stand. No more silence when injustice reigns. We're breaking every cycle, we're dissolving chains. From the roots of Africa to the Caribbean Sea, there's a bond in our blood, crying unity. So we march with the fire blazing in our soul, reclaiming every piece they once stole. Truth is a river that will never run dry. Even when the system tells the people lie, we navigate the darkness with a righteous flame, never losing sight of the higher aim. From the ghettos to the hills where the free winds blow, there's a story in every face, you know. And the power of the people when they stand as one shine brighter than the light of 1,000 suns. Even them set the fire up, it blaze non-stop. Even when them try for hold we down on the block. Every word we speak is a seed we plant in the soil of resistance where the truth we chant. No corruption can conquer of the righteous way. Even if them fight we night and day, we arise like a lion with a fearless roar, breaking every barrier, opening every door. In the silence of the night I hear freedom call, whispering softly you can have it all. Not the riches of gold but the wealth inside, where your truth and your purpose collide. So I walk with intention, every step I take, building something real they could never break.